निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्मच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ब्रह्मा मुरारी त्रिपुरन्तकारी भानुशशि भूमिसुतो भुरश्च गुरुश्च शुक्रः शनिराहुकेतवः कुर्वन्तु सर्वे मम सुप्रभातम्। जयन्ती काली मङ्गलकाली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवा दात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोऽस्तुते। त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृतात्। नीलं भुजश्यामलकोमलाङ्गं सीतासमारोपितवामभाग्यं पाणौ महाशायितचारुचापं नमामि रामं रघुवंशनाथम्। मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं भूरिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। ओंकारबिन्दु संयुक्तं नित्यं ध्यायन्ति योगिनः कामदं मोक्षदं चैव ओंकाराय नमो नमः। ओंकाराय नमो नमः। ओंकाराय नमो नमः। असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय। मोगं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुलं नयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। ॐ सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। भूमिमङ्गलं भूमिमङ्गलं उदकमङ्गलं उदकमङ्गलं अग्निमङ्गलम्
अग्निमङ्गलम्
वायुमङ्गलम्
वायुमङ्गलम्
गगनमङ्गलम्
गगनमङ्गलम्
सूर्यमङ्गलम्
सूर्यमङ्गलम्
चन्द्रमङ्गलम्
चन्द्रमङ्गलम्
जगतमङ्गलम्
जगतमङ्गलम्
जीवमङ्गलम्
जीवमङ्गलम्
देहमङ्गलम्
देहमङ्गलम्
मनोमङ्गलम्
मनोमङ्गलम्
आत्ममङ्गलम्
आत्ममङ्गलम्
सर्वमङ्गलम्
भवतु 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 सर्वमङ्गलम् भवतु 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 सर्वमङ्गलम् भवतु 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 ॐ शान्ति 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 श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम्
Namaskar, Assalamu alaikum, and a very pleasant good morning to you, the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago, and our worldwide web listeners on 103fm.net. This is Pandit Krishan Ramdeen in your company this morning on The First, The Finest, as we join in a very beautiful morning of Shanti Vandana. Today, my friends, it is Saturday. It is just about 5:07 a.m. And as we join in touching the feet of Bhagwan Shri Hanumanji on this wonderful and auspicious day, I ask you, my friends, to please, from wherever you are, silently touch the feet of Bhagwan. Today we join in discussing a very beautiful subject. It is about breaking the barriers of the past, breaking down the glass ceilings on those issues that we may have created, my friends, that would have caused certain limitations, whether it was environmentally or societally imposed on us, or rather if we did it ourselves as a family based on traditions. Today, I would like you, as you invoke the blessings of the good Lord, ask, Hey Prabhu, ask, am I really limiting myself? As Bhagwan Shri Krishna in Bhagavad Gita tells the world, he says, Udharet Atman Atmanam Atman Atmaiva Chaivam. He tells us that if you think that you can, Krishna says you are right. And Krishna Bhagavan says, if you think that you can't, you are also right. Why, he says? Because you can be your own very best friend, and you can also be your own worst enemy. You will never go beyond the barriers, my friends, in your own mind. If you think that you can't do something, then you never will. And the battle really is in your mind. If you are defeated in your mind, you've already lost the battle. And if you think that your dreams will ever come to pass, well, you're right also. But if you don't think you have what it takes to rise up and set that new standard, that is exactly what's going to happen. The barrier, the hindrances are really in our mind. And today also, as we begin this very beautiful program of Shanti Vandana, I want you to touch the feet of Bhagwan Shri Ganesh. Because Ganesh Baba is not only known as the remover of obstacles and hindrances, Ganesh Baba is the Lord of all possibilities. And today, let us remove those barriers not in the external world, for we are reminded that the real barriers, the significant barriers, are those that we create within our minds in every moment of our life. It's a wrong way to think, my friends. It's a wrong thinking pattern that keeps us imprisoned in defeat. And that's why it's so important that we think positive thoughts, thoughts of hope, thoughts of faith, my friends, thoughts of victory. Perhaps somebody has spoken negative words into your life. Perhaps maybe some so-called expert may have told you that you're never going to be successful. You're never going to rise to the top. You just don't have what it takes to make it. Devotees, my humble suggestion to you this morning, it is don't listen to those lies. If God is for you, who dares to be against you? Break through the limitations of the past and let your mind dwell on fresh and positive attitudes of faith. Hare Jai, brother, sister, breaking those barriers will change your life. And you know what, my friends? It will change the lives of your children as well. Please join with us. As you contemplate today, it's very common for professional runners, people who are in World Olympics and so on. What were the standards 10 years ago? And scientists and medical psychologists would have told the world, the sporting community, that they could not run a mile in under 4 minutes. And all it took, my friends, was one person, one individual. And since then, over 300 athletes would have broken that barrier of 4 minutes, under 4 minutes in 1 mile. Today, ask yourself, are you limiting yourself and your family's life based on the limitations and the barriers and the standards that may have been set for you and your family in the past? Please touch the feet of Hanumanji as we join in this very beautiful bhajan.
मंगल मूर्ति राम दुलारे, आन पड़ा अब तेरे द्वारे। हे बजरंग बली हनुमान, हे महावीर करो कल्याण।
हे महावीर करो कल्याण।
मंगल मूर्ति राम दुलारे, आन पड़ा अब तेरे द्वारे। हे बजरंग बली हनुमान, हे महावीर करो कल्याण।
हे महावीर करो कल्याण।
तीनों लोक तेरा उजियारा, दुखियों का तूने काज संवारा। तीनों लोक तेरा उजियारा, दुखियों का तूने काज संवारा। हे जगवंदन केसरी नंदन, हे जगवंदन केसरी नंदन। कष्ट हरो हे कृपा निधान,
कष्ट हरो हे कृपा निधान।
मंगल मूर्ति राम दुलारे, आन पड़ा अब तेरे द्वारे। हे बजरंग बली हनुमान, हे महावीर करो कल्याण।
हे महावीर करो कल्याण।
तेरे द्वारे जो भी आया, खाली नहीं कोई लौटाया। तेरे द्वारे जो भी आया, खाली नहीं कोई लौटाया। दुर्गम काज बना बनहारे, दुर्गम काज बना बनहारे। मंगलमय दीजो वरदान।
मंगलमय दीजो वरदान।
मंगल मूर्ति राम दुलारे, आन पड़ा अब तेरे द्वारे। हे बजरंग बली हनुमान, हे महावीर करो कल्याण।
हे महावीर करो कल्याण।
भक्ति की ज्योत जगा दो मन में, राम कृपा बरसे जीवन में। भक्ति की ज्योत जगा दो मन में, राम कृपा बरसे जीवन में। बल बुद्धि विद्या के दाता, बल बुद्धि विद्या के दाता। हर लीजिए मन का अज्ञान,
हर लीजिए मन का अज्ञान।
मंगल मूर्ति राम दुलारे, आन पड़ा अब तेरे द्वारे। हे बजरंग बली हनुमान, हे महावीर करो कल्याण।
हे महावीर करो कल्याण।
तेरा सुमिरन हनुमत वीरा, नासै रोग हरै सब पीरा। तेरा सुमिरन हनुमत वीरा, नासै रोग हरै सब पीरा। राम लखन सीता मन बसिया, राम लखन सीता मन बसिया। शरण पड़े का कीजय ध्यान,
शरण पड़े का कीजय ध्यान।
मंगल मूर्ति राम दुलारे, आन पड़ा अब तेरे द्वारे। हे बजरंग बली हनुमान, हे महावीर करो कल्याण।
हे महावीर करो कल्याण।
मंगल मूर्ति राम दुलारे, आन पड़ा अब तेरे द्वारे। हे बजरंग बली हनुमान, हे महावीर करो कल्याण।
हे महावीर करो कल्याण। हे महावीर करो कल्याण। हे महावीर करो कल्याण। हे महावीर करो कल्याण। हे महावीर करो कल्याण। हे महावीर करो कल्याण।
You're listening to the program Shanti Vandana on the First the Finest 103 FM on this very beautiful morning, broadcasting from the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. This is Pandit Krishan Ramdeen as we touch the feet of Hanuman Swamiji, breaking the barriers of the past. My friends, have you ever wondered who Hanumanji really is? You see, Hanuman Baba's names are many. He is Hanumanji, he is Shankar Suvan, he is Keshari Nandan, he is Anjani Putra, he is Vayu Putra. So many very beautiful names that Hanumanji is referred to as. But many critics of Hanumanji's life would say, who really was that monkey? Who was that person? Whose father? Really, who was his father? He is Shankar Suban, is Shankar Baba his father? He is Anjani Putra, is Anjani his mother? He is Keshari Nandan, is Keshari his father? And like this, my friends, the critics would say, who really is this character that Sanatanists idolize around the world? You see, my friends, in many ways, Hanuman Baba's life is like ours. Notwithstanding his past, notwithstanding the criticisms that people may hurl at us, we have the opportunity to break the barriers of the past and become all that we can be. You see, my friends, God is a just God. God is never blind. He knows when people aren't treating us right. He knows when we're doing the right things, yet the wrong things sometimes happen to us. He knows when we're operating with integrity, and yet somebody would come along and cheat us, my friends. Just yesterday, one of my sisters told me, my Iraqi sisters told me her mother was robbed in an ice cream parlor, my friends. And these are God-fearing, God-loving citizens, people who believe in God. And they would ask, and it's the obvious question, Lord, why? Why would something so unjust happen to good people, my friends? One day I will tell you the story. Is it good luck? Bad luck? Who knows? You see, my friends, it could have been worse. I said to her this morning that it was Hanuman Baba's hands that were placed to protect your mother in times of distress. You know, you have heard the stories, you see the news, you listen to what's happening around you. For $1, my friends, someone can snuff the life away from another person. And therefore, my friends, know that God is just. God is never blind. God sees all. He keeps a good record of all that is happening around us. But friends, here's the key question. Are you willing to change your thinking? Will you take the limits off of what God can do in your life? And will you start believing that Bhagwan, Hanuman Baba, can do bigger and better things in your life? You know, some people say that I am not really happy in my marriage, but we will get along okay, and I guess this is the best we can expect. Oh, I am not really healthy, but at least I can get out of bed in the morning. I don't really have enough money, but with a little luck, I can pay a few of these bills. My friends, don't ever underestimate the power of God in your life. Don't say, God, look how much problems I have, but rather stand up, my friends. Stand up and say to your problems how great your God is. Give God praise. Give God greatness. Establish God as the Almighty. It is not just a play of word. He is Almighty, but He is Almighty. And therefore, my friends, when you allow God to be that co-creator in your life, you would start seeing occurrences. You would start seeing the world kissing your feet. You would see all possibilities unfolding in your life. My friends, you would see an abundance that you will not imagine. This is Pandit Krishan Ramdeen on the First the Finest 103 FM as we join this next bhajan. I am sure you would not have heard on radio before, but today I would like to touch the feet of someone who would have set the legacy, who would have broken the barriers of his past, notwithstanding his limitations. Please join. I will tell you who this person is after this bhajan. Please join with us.
चित्रकूट के घाट पर भये संतन के भीर। तुलसीदास चंदन घिसे तिलक दे रघुवीर। श्री राम जन्मे दशरथ के अंगनमा। 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 चैत शुक्ल पाक तिथि नवमी। चैत शुक्ल पाक तिथि नवमी। चैत शुक्ल पाक तिथि नवमी। जन्म लिए दशरथ के अंगनमा। श्री राम जन्मे दशरथ के अंगनमा। दशरथ दान रतन मणि देहि। 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 जाक गगन सब की दे भगनवा। श्री राम जन्मे दशरथ के अंगनमा। श्री राम जन्मे दशरथ के अंगनमा। मंगल गावत मुनि संकल मिली सब। मंगल गावत नारी सकल मिली मंगल गावत। मंगल गावत नारी सकल मिली। नाचत है दशरथ के अंगनमा। श्री राम जन्मे दशरथ के अंगनमा। श्री राम जन्मे दशरथ के अंगनमा। नरगिस के स्वामी दर्शन दीजिए। नरगिस के स्वामी दर्शन दीजिए। निस दिन आसे तुम्हारे चरण। श्री राम जन्मे दशरथ के अंगनमा। श्री राम लकी तेरे जिक्र कब लाभ परायान करो। देखो कोई देत है मुझको सतायान करो। देखो कोई देत है मुझको सतायान करो। मैं मरी जाती हूँ और तुमको हंसी आता है। अंगूरी चूर करे हाथ बयान करो। अंगूरी दूर करे हाथ बयान। नरगिस के स्वामी दर्शन दीजिए। नरगिस के स्वामी दर्शन दीजिए। निस दिन आशा है तुम्हारे चरण। श्री राम जन्मे दशरथ के अंगनमा। श्री राम जन्मे दशरथ के अंगनमा। श्री राम जन्मे दशरथ के अंगनमा।
This is Shanti Vandana on the program on Router 103 FM. Pandit Krishan Ramdeen in your company. It is now exactly 5:32 a.m. broadcasting live from the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. Today, my friends, that song that you just heard is a rendition by the late Pandit Kamal Sudas. He died in his almost 80, at the age of 80. He had one hand for most of his life. He was a gardener. He was a mechanic. He was a community servant. My friends, this individual realized, he showed the world, he was actually right-handed. And when he lost his hand at a very early age, he reschooled himself to write with the left hand. He would brush his teeth, holding rather some of the articles, the instruments, with his toes. And with the one hand, he would comfortably do any and everything that life would have asked of him. As a matter of fact, he did not wait for life. He demanded that life should be conquered. And my friends, as I said at his funeral, at the late Pandit Kamal Sudas, although he had one wing, he taught the world how to fly. You see, my friends, one day a gentleman came to me. He said, "Panditji, you speak so highly of God and that all things are possible. If God wants to bless me, then He'll bless me. After all, He is God, isn't He? I'm not going to be too pushy. I'm not going to expect too much." Remember, my friends, at the start of this morning's katha, I said to you, if you think that you can, you are right. And if you think that you can't, you also are very, very correct. And therefore, whatever your demands, whatever your projections, whatever your goals and objectives are, they're not only yours. You're actually saying to this world, you're actually saying to God, God, I await abundance. Whatever goals and dreams and objectives and benchmarks you set for yourself, my friends, you're actually saying, God, this is what I see for myself, and this is what you will co-create with me. My friends, don't ever underestimate the power of Hanuman Baba in your life. Don't ever underestimate Sankat Katai, Are Mitai Sabbira, Are Jo Sumirai Hanumat Balbira. Very beautifully, Tulsidas says that when a child of God calls, you may not have to be Sthita Prajna, you may not have to be one who performs yagna or japa every day. But when you call on the Lord with love, with sincerity, with devotion, and you project a sense of knowing, not a belief in God, but a knowing that God is there with you, waiting to bring about abundance and positivity in your life, my friends, now you're starting to unfold and unravel the greatness and the potency of God. You see, my friends, unfortunately, that's just the opposite of how God operates. Some people think limitations, little, shortcomings. God, my friends, works by faith. You must have not just a belief in God, you must know God. And you know what, my friends? When you know God and you ask and you believe, then be prepared to receive. Maybe you've been waiting on God to make a move, but God is waiting on you to stretch your faith, your shraddha. Make room in your thinking, in your own thinking, and then you will start experiencing some of His supernatural powers, supernatural increase, the abundance that will come to you in your life. This is Pandit Krishan Ramdeen on the program Shanti Vandana.
हे दुख भंजन मारुति नंदन, हे दुख भंजन मारुति नंदन, सुन लो मेरी पुकार, सुन लो मेरी पुकार, पवन सुत विनती बारंबार, पवन सुत विनती बारंबार।
This is Pandit Krishan Ramdeen on the program Shanti Vandana, broadcasting live from the studios of Sabse Acha, Sabse Pehle, the first, the finest, 103 FM. Devotees, as we come to an end, almost to an end of this morning's beautiful conversation on Hanumanji breaking the barriers, allowing us to break the barriers of our past. You know, my friends, I would like to conclude with this thought. Maybe you are living with things that have been in your family line for 2 or 3 or more generations. Alcoholism, drug addiction, poverty, depression, anger, low self-esteem, whatever the problem. The good news, bhaiya, sister, you who are listening to this very beautiful message of God this morning, the good news is that you have an opportunity to break the negative cycle. You can choose to rise up and say, with God's help, I am turning the tide in my life. I am trusting and knowing God and taking responsibility for my own actions. Today, I am setting a new standard for my life and for my family's life. God, my friends, will help you break that curse in your family, but it will take perseverance. It is not just wishful thinking. It is not just hollow words that are uttered. It will take perseverance and a willingness to change on your part. Beyond that, it's not enough to say just a little prayer one time and expect that things will change in your life. It is perseverance. It is willingness. It is conviction. It is a knowing that God is with you. My friends, have some determination. Ask God to put some fire in your life, so to speak. Begin speaking in terms of victory rather than defeat in your life. Your words have amazing power. So quit talking about what you can't do and start talking about what God can do with you in your life. Keep your mind focused on God's goodness. Stay in an attitude of faith. Give victory, Jaikar to Bhagavan, and you will no longer live under the bondage that's been passed down from previous generations. Brothers, sisters, take a stand and be the one to make a difference. Go beyond the old barriers of the past. Don't just accept whatever comes your way in life. You were born to win. You were born for greatness. Devotees, you were created to be a champion in life. God did not send you into this world to disappoint yourself. God sent you into this world to be an instrument of His will. Today, as we touch the feet of Pawan Putra Hanumanji, I ask you, devotees, to please break down those barriers and allow yourself and your families to become all that you can be. Today I would like to extend an invitation to all of you, for we are starting a yagna, RRDS Kirtanacharyas, together with myself. We're starting a 7 nights Gyan Yagna at Independence Street in Lapai Village, Karani, and that starts tomorrow evening and will run until next Saturday, tomorrow being the first night of the Gyan Yagna, and it will run for 7 nights. It's Independence Street, Lapai Village in Karani. And for those of you who would like to get in touch with us and to find out more about the works of the RRDS and the Kirtanacharyas, you can log on to www.rrdsonline.yolasite.com. Or, my friends, you can join us on Facebook, as we have a very active youth group that engages powerful, enlightening discussions on life, spirituality, and practical living. This is Pandit Krishan Ramdeen, closing down the curtains on Shanti Vandana this morning, as I ask you to please join in this very beautiful chant to Lord Shiva. We cannot praise Hanumanji enough unless we touch the feet of Bhagwan Shankara. Today I ask you, as this song ushers in the next format on 103's programming, please join with us. Have a wonderful day, have a wonderful Saturday. Break down the barriers of your past and allow your God to co-create a destiny that you so choose. Give God greatness. Prem se bolo Shri Pawan Putra Hanuman ki Hare Jai Ho.
वासा कपालीश्वरा कैलैनाथा कपालीश्वरा
नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय हर हर शिव ॐ नमः शिवाय
पशुपतिनाथ कपालीश्वरा गंगाधरेशा कपालीश्वरा
नाडुडय शिवने पोற்றி எந்நாட்டவர்க்கும் இறைவா போற்றி
सोमनाथ कपालीश्वरा मल्लिकार्जुना कपालीश्वरा
जय जय शंकर हर हर शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर
महाकालेश्वरा कपालीश्वरा ओंकारेश्वरा कपालीश्वरा
நாடுடைய சிவனே போற்றி எந்நாட்டவர்க்கும் இறைவா போற்றி
श्री वैद्यनाथ कपालीश्वरा भीमशंकरा कपालीश्वरा
जय जय शंकर हर हर शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर நாடுடைய சிவனே போற்றி எந்நாட்டவர்க்கும் இறைவா போற்றி
श्रीरामेश्वरा कपालीश्वरा श्रीनागेश्वरा कपालीश्वरा
नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय हर हर शिव ॐ नमः शिवाय
काशीपुरेशा कपालीश्वरा त्र्यंबकेशा कपालीश्वरा
நாடுடைய சிவனே போற்றி எந்நாட்டவர்க்கும் இறைவா போற்றி
केदारेश्वरा कपालीश्वरा श्रीघुष्मेश्वरा कपालीश्वरा
नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय हर हर शिव ॐ नमः शिवाय நாடுடைய சிவனே போற்றி எந்நாட்டவர்க்கும் இறைவா போற்றி
मैलैवासा कपालीश्वरा वेल्लीश्वरेशा कपालीश्वरा
जय जय शंकर हर हर शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर
श्रीकारणेश्वरा कपालीश्वरा श्रीमल्लीशा कपालीश्वरा
நாடுடைய சிவனே போற்றி எந்நாட்டவர்க்கும் இறைவா போற்றி
श्रीविरूपाक्षा कपालीश्वरा वीरभद्रेशा कपालीश्वरा
नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय हर हर शिव ॐ नमः
केवालीश्वरा कपालीश्वरा तीर्थपालीशा कपालीश्वरा
जय जय शङ्कर हर हर शङ्कर हर हर शङ्कर जय जय शङ्कर என்னாடுடைய சிவனே போற்றி எந்நாட்டவர்க்கும் இறைவா போற்றி
तिरुवट्टीशा कपालीश्वरा श्री अगस्तीशा कपालीश्वरा